In this video, we bring to you an amazing family home you won't believe is built using shipping containers. Famous among locals and online viewers, this shipping container home is a true statement of modern container architecture. It is constructed using shipping containers with a spacious and versatile layout, resulting in an architecturally unique floor plan. The ground floor has got two 40-foot containers set apart with a huge carport in between. One container accommodates a fully self-contained granny flat or workspace fitted with a well-lit bedroom, bathroom, a wet bar, and an office. The other container accommodates a spacious workshop and storage room. On the upper level, the main entrance opens into a delightfully airy open-plan living space with cork-inspired flooring and glass sliders to enjoy the aspects, creating a spacious interior design. The living area features comfortable couches overlooking the beautiful outdoor space, providing plenty of opportunities for entertainment. Next to the lounge area is a light-filled dining space fitted with a custom-designed dining table big enough to sit up to 6 people, ideal for a large family. From the dining area is a spacious galley kitchen. The creative custom-designed kitchen is fitted with beautiful stainless steel appliances and counters that radiate elegance, ample under-the-counter storage cabinet, a generous walk-in pantry with huge storage, and a glass window that lets in abundance of natural light brightens the area around the sink. The rich interior details in the living area emphasize on elegance, while an abundant use of glass maximizes natural lighting throughout and encourages uninterrupted visual connections with the leafy surrounds. This comfortable accommodation comprises 3 generous, bright bedrooms. The main bedroom is separated from the living area with white plantation shutters. The spacious master bedroom is the ultimate parents' retreat, featuring a comfortable king-sized bed, a TV for your entertainment as you watch from the comfort of your bed, and large glass windows, calm doors that bring in lots of natural light, maximizing the visual connection with the lush outdoors. The master bedroom is further enhanced by extensive walk-in closets. The ensuite bathroom features a huge bathtub, natural timber vanity, a toilet, and dual shower. A lengthy hallway leads to the 2 similar bedrooms and family bathroom. Each bedroom features comfortable double beds, cupboard space, ceiling fans, and built-in bedside lights. A walk-in through laundry with cupboards and hanging space, a sink, and room for a washer and dryer leads to the shared bathroom. The bathroom has got large glass shower cubicle and a toilet. The house is fitted with big glass windows throughout, maximizing on natural light, while a mix of recycled materials, including the signature containers which have been cleverly used, creates an industrial chic effect. The transition between indoors and outdoors was paramount in the design of this home and is evidenced by the numerous outdoor spaces featured on each level. The numerous decks are built in purposefully for relaxing and entertaining. The outdoor spaces open the home up to cool breezes while creating a relaxed and balanced floor plan that makes the most of the tropical Queensland climate. This amazing home is beautiful inside and out. Which part of this shipping container home appeals to you the most? Kindly give us your opinion by posting in the comment section below. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and feel free to share it. You are encouraged to subscribe to our YouTube channel where we showcase this kind of content on shipping container homes from around the world. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Hello and welcome. If you love shipping container homes or you are planning on building one, on this channel we showcase amazing shipping container projects from around the world. If you like this kind of content, then feel free to subscribe to our YouTube channel for amazing weekly videos on shipping container projects.